This is Tyler Mason. He got the hiccups.
Oh no, he's got the hiccups again.
Baby hiccups.
I guess that means he ate something.
Hmm? Mama wrapped him up like a burrito. Hmm?